Hey, top of the morning, traders. This is the wake up call. Guess I'm going to have to do this again. I just made the entire thing and there was a problem with the audio. All right, let's see. Today, Monday, beginning of new week, we have a few pairs that we're going to watch. We're going to watch the Aussie below 104.20. We have the pound officially below the 50 fib here at 157.83, but there's a gap to contend with. The CAD continues to move higher, favoring a move towards 101.40. Euro consolidation, Euro JPY yen consolidation, yen still pushing a little bit higher. In New Zealand, we have trendline resistance coming up. We're going to be looking more at swing trades today. I don't normally scalp on Mondays. Historically, if I look at the results from the trading, Monday is the weakest day of the week. You actually end up doing better in the long term if you do not, because it's normally lack of availability and a little choppiness on Monday. So we're looking for swing trades. It is interesting, actually. The results actually every day gets better. Mondays, Tuesday's better than Monday, Wednesday's better than Tuesday, so forth. You get the point. All right, so let's look at the pairs we're going to keep an eye on. The Great Britain pound USD below the 50 fib at 157.83. Favors a move down towards 0.382 fib at 156.60, but there is a gap there, and as we all know, gaps tend to get filled. So I would expect over some time period we get a push back up towards this gap area. For a then a continued move lower towards the initial target. I mean, that doesn't mean that's going to happen, but if that does happen, there would be a lot of buyers that would come in, or sellers that would come at that point looking for a push higher, push back down lower. The next pair we're going to watch in is the Aussie, because it is officially below this trendline support that we were talking about at 1.00, actually 104.20, and what we're watching there is it actually worked out perfectly. Once again, it's too bad I have to sleep. It moved back up to test the trendline resistance right there at 104.30, and now it's continuing to move lower. What I'm going to be watching is for a move towards 103.50 and then 103.21 at the 0.618 fib. That's going to be in the 10. It would be nice if we get back into this trade for a move back up to the 50 fib. I mean, up to that trendline support, and then we could push for a move lower. But right now you could go short, but your stops would have to be up here at 104.30, and you're only looking, so you're making 80 pips, risking over 50, well, about 50. Risk reward is not that good, but it is a trade you could take if you would like. Let's take a look at the other majors. The Euro USD, like we said, resistance starts here at the 50 fib from the move lower from around 150 at 134.82, and then we have daily price resistance at 135, and I believe the pair could trend between 135 and 130 for the next short period of time. So what we're going to watch is the level at these prices. 134 should add some significant support. We're sitting mid-range right about now, and this is a nice, that actually is kind of a bullish channel candle right there. So we're going to watch price action here. Get a break below that. We could see a test at 134. Let's see what else we have here. New Zealand USD, basically the pair had been done nothing lately, but it did break below the recent lows at 83.20, and it looks like we could be heading for a test of this $10 support at 82.41. That's going to be the area to watch. 82.41. We get a bounce of that. We could see it move back up to the top of this triangle we have going here at 84.7 between 84.20. So we're going to be looking for opportunities in that pair. The CAD continues to go higher. Above the 50 fib, like we talked about, it broke above the resistance zone, and I favor a move towards up to 101.40. So we're going to watch that if we can get a break above these highs here, 101.40, and then we'll see what happens. 101.40 is the 0.618 fib from the move down from 104.50. Let's see the last pair. We'll take a look at the yens. The yens continue to go higher. Did manage to make another higher high though today, even though it's only by a very short distance. We have support up at at 90.20, resistance up at 93.36, and we're watching that. And the Euro JPY said it's all about 123 last week, so we're going to look for any move up to 123. Could be an opportunity to go short, and resistance starts around 120. So we have a zone right there, and I'm going to be looking to play that range into the beginning of the week. USD durable goods is due up. I think 2% is favored. We could get a bit of volatility on that. Everybody, all right. Remember, keep your trades keen, play keen. Keep a lookout for the Twitter feed, and let's make some pips.